Welcome to creating effective feedback loops. After watching this video, you will be able to analyze the role of feedback loops in education and their impact on teaching strategies and student learning, design an effective feedback loop process that incorporates data-driven insights for continuous improvement, and evaluate the feedback loops using AI-powered tools to enhance them and optimize learning outcomes. Learning is not a singular act. It's a dynamic process where understanding informs growth. In a perfect classroom, feedback is not occasional. It's a steady beat propelling students and teachers toward progress. Students remain interested when learning adjusts in real time, and teachers can quickly hone their methods. This is the magic of great feedback loops, where data-based insights power more innovative and targeted education. Let's explore feedback loops in education by understanding their fundamentals, designing effective processes, leveraging AI for enhancement, and integrating them into classroom workflows. Effective feedback loops are crucial for ongoing learning and growth. They comprise several essential elements, including data collection, quantitative and qualitative data collected from testing, classroom observation, and student self-reporting. The data are analyzed to determine strengths, weaknesses, and trends, providing the foundation for practical responses, targeted instructional approaches, or intervention strategies. It is enhanced further through tracking and revision to ensure constant assessment and turning of feedback systems. Feedback can come in several shapes. Formative feedback is received in the learning process to support improvement. Summative feedback is received after the completion of a learning cycle for the overall performance review. Real-time feedback offers immediate insight to make swift adaptations, and delayed feedback enables reflective review after a passage of time for enhanced comprehension. Knowledge of feedback loops in education is critical to ensuring ongoing improvement. Feedback loops offer timely feedback on student performance, allowing teachers to modify instruction based on assessment information. The process increases student motivation by fostering self-assessment and responsibility. A well-designed feedback loop sets up a dynamic process where data-driven modifications generate additional refinements, guaranteeing ongoing improvement in learning. Designing an effective feedback loop begins with systematically collecting data from various sources, including assessments, quizzes, digital engagement metrics, such as LMS analytics and interactive activities, student self-assessments, peer reviews, and teacher observations. To ensure accuracy and reliability, data should be gathered consistently and from multiple sources to provide a comprehensive understanding of student learning. Once collected, the data must be analyzed using tools like spreadsheets, dashboards, and AI-driven analytics to identify trends, segment student performance across different groups or learning modules, and pinpoint areas where targeted feedback is needed. The next step involves converting this analysis into actionable insights by developing clear, specific recommendations that align with learning objectives and address student needs. Finally, implementing these changes requires an iterative approach, adjusting instruction based on feedback, monitoring performance improvements, and using follow-up assessments and reflective activities to evaluate the impact of modifications. This continuous cycle ensures that feedback is collected and effectively used to enhance learning outcomes. Using AI to improve feedback loops revolutionizes how students and teachers interact with performance information. Generative AI can review tests and give immediate, tailored feedback, providing natural language summaries, identifying areas for improvement, and recommending specific learning materials. AI-powered systems allow real-time adaptation, dynamically adapting feedback based on student answers to provide timely and relevant interventions. AI-driven interactive dashboards continually refresh performance measures, enabling instructors to track advancement and make real-time rational adjustments. Besides, reports authored by AI strengthen teachers' reflection by detecting trends indicating the need for instructional or management classroom shifts, thus yielding a more dynamic and responsive classroom. Effective feedback loops are essential for fostering continuous learning and improvement. Feedback should be delivered promptly after an assessment or activity to maximize its impact. It must be clear, specific, and actionable, providing concrete steps for improvement. Personalization is key. Feedback should be tailored to individual student needs, considering their strengths, learning styles, and areas for growth. Encouraging a two-way dialogue fosters collaborative reflection, allowing students and educators to discuss progress and determine the next steps. Finally, feedback processes should be regularly reviewed and refined based on data analysis and evolving classroom dynamics to ensure continuous improvement. Including feedback loops within classroom workflow provides an ongoing environment for learning and adapting. Setting a routine for frequent check-ins guarantees that feedback is part of daily learning processes second nature. Utilizing online mechanisms like LMS functions, smartphone apps, or online portals offers instant feedback while providing the ability to monitor advancement in the long term. An organized documentation system, such as a feedback log or digital portfolio, enables teachers and learners to track development, determine persisting challenges, and share success. Encouraging active participation by students in feedback allows them to make sense of insights, define individual objectives, and measure progress, leading to a self-regulated learning culture. In this video, you learned that feedback loops in education play a crucial role in enhancing student performance and engagement by providing timely and actionable insights. A well-structured feedback loop includes key components such as data collection, analysis, actionable responses, and continuous monitoring. Different types of feedback, including formative, guiding improvement, summative, evaluating performance, real-time, and delayed, help shape learning experiences. The process involves collecting data, analyzing trends, providing targeted feedback, implementing necessary changes, and monitoring impact. Integrating AI further enhances accuracy by generating personalized insights, offering real-time adaptations, and improving feedback efficiency. Best practices emphasize timely, precise, customized feedback, fostering continuous improvement in learning outcomes.